So we're doing a little unboxing video of these new bi-LED projector retrofits that they're out on eBay and all over the internet. These are, I think there's several reviews out there from different lighting retrofitters on their performance. I just wanted to do an unboxing to see what you get in the box. These go for about 250 bucks on eBay right now. I got these back around Black Friday on a pretty good deal. I think paid less than 200 bucks after all the cash back and all the other stuff that eBay was offering. But just wanted to open them up and show you what comes inside them. I plan to retrofit these onto some aftermarket headlights for my IS250. I was thinking about several other projectors that they have there on the market right now, including the Morimoto, the new MLEDs, and I chose these just because the reviews on the output for the price were good. So we'll go ahead and open up and see what's in here. So it comes in a pretty nice box. I think CN Light is the company that distributes and makes these. So it comes in a pretty nice box. Comes with all these Chinese or Taiwanese instructions and other things. That was my packing slip. Got usual foam. Each one of them they come with this protective cap while shipping. It comes with an external driver, so you put this either on the outside, generally on the outside of your headlight. If you want to put them inside, if they ever fail, you'd have to open them back up again. They've got this, generic kind of 4-pin plug that it comes with there, and it's got a little notch on it that you plug it in, and then I think you screw it, and it becomes liquid tight there. The other end is pretty generic, just two spade crimped connectors that you would, on my retrofit, I'll probably just end up cutting and and soldering these onto the harness on my headlight. But on other headlights, you could just stick them in if you were lazy. This version comes with these extra brackets to kind of adapt them to different mountings, depending on what kind of, if you're putting them on an aftermarket or an OEM headlight. I'm hoping that these will bolt, using these plates or maybe even the holes on here. But if if you're a lighting retrofitter, these are very common. I think they use them on the HID, the mini D2S projectors out there on the market, whether it's from Retrofit Source, Morimoto, or just the generic China-made ones that you find on Amazon and eBay. But all the mounting holes are the same. Heat sinks, nice. It's got these fin heat sinks. It's got a fan on it. It's got very old school, generic, cheap bi-xenon, for the shield solenoid. So these back in the day were known to fail a lot on a lot of the mini H1 projectors, but looks like they're still using them. A lot of the more premium ones use like a side pull, much more robust solenoid now. But it didn't come with any any plugs or anything on this, so I just have to cut and solder it into my harness. Looks like it's got all the gaskets and the screws and all that to fit into your H4 headlights, and I believe this one might be like for like an H7 or an H11 hole, because what a lot of retrofitters do now, that they've got the threaded shaft where it goes inside your halogen housing, and then you get a shroud. These didn't come with a shroud, but it's got a standard 3-inch opening, so a lot of the shrouds out there on the market will work on this one. So that's that first one. The other the other projector is exactly identical to that. If you guys are watching this, I think there's several. This particular design projector, LED projector. I believe Retrofit Source sells it as their profile line, but it's essentially the same projector. They just charge a little bit more for it for their name brand and their warranty and service, I guess. But you know, for what I paid for it, you know, I probably saved $75 to $100 on what I would have paid to Retrofit Source, and you know, hopefully it gets the same performance, and you know, it's the same. And, you know, to me, from studying it, it's essentially the same, you know, the same exact LED projector. So I wasn't gonna pay more for it. The only thing on my retrofit, I don't think I have much room on the IS because I'm not gonna use this shaft. So I'm gonna look into cutting this off once I start disassembling everything and figuring out how the wire is. I might end up cutting that off to save myself, you know, about an inch of clearance. So, all right, thanks for watching.